probably this is the best video that you're gonna watch today on internet about forex trading. So right here I'm going to show you how I approach, how do I trade with the time frame. I mean, how do I use my time frame from the high time frame to the lowest time frame. Right straight, let's go to the charts. I'm simply Brandon. Do one thing, we made 2,000 subscribers, and let's go to the 5,000 subscribers. Make sure you subscribe down and hit the like button. Okay, let's go straight to the charts so that I can show you how do I use the time frame. So first of all, I really like the daily time frame. Here on charts, if you can see right now, we are on a daily time frame, right? So the daily time frame, most of the time I don't do much. I don't do trend lines. I may make some small of maybe support or resistance in order to know the next direction and all of those stuff. Let's say if you land on a pair like this, we are having a lot of pair. Let's say the euro, the GBP USD. Let's say if we're gonna do the GBP USD or gold or any pair, this is where I start from. First of all, on a daily time frame, remember here we spot those major levels. You get, we don't go for minor levels or level of support or resistance which are minor. No, we go for the strong levels, whereby we mark out the strong levels, like such as we are having this one right here. So if you can see that most of the time we should know when we are in an uptrend or when we are in a downtrend. That is the most important thing. So after drawing, you can see that we are having another level, which is this one here. Meanwhile, we retested on this level and went up, retested on this again, went up, but we are failing to break this level here. So which means we are kind in uptrend market structure. So which means if you're trading on a lower time frame, it's really hard to wait for the market to buy from this level down here, right? So this is what you do. The most important thing is that most, let's say if you see some kind of course we do get the confirmation that tells us now the market is going to sell or the market is going to buy. Imagine if you can watch, we are having this level here. So if you go to the lower time frame, you'll find there are more confluence that shows that the market is going to sell from that level. So which means if you sell from that level, your target, it's gonna be down right here. You get, so if you come down right here, which means you're gonna get in a conference, so that the next days, let's say for the week, you expect buys for the week. This helps you to get more confidence in your trading from the lower time frame. You get, imagine if I know that them gold, it is maybe your GBP or whatever it is retesting on a daily support. Yeah, gold, it is using a resistance as a support so that it can buy, like right here. Which means for the next days I would be considering in buy movement, which is very nice. All right, that is one of the time frame that I look up, which is the daily time frame. And if I can go up here, we are having this range right here, which is a very nice one. And there I'm done. I just, as I told you, I only draw major levels. Then we go straight to the 4H time frame. So on a 4H time frame, again I start refining. If you guys, you don't know how to refine these levels, it's like this. If you draw a big box on let's say on a big time frame like this, you can see it's not looking nice on a lower time frame. Then we focus on the first two candlesticks, the bullish and the bearish candlestick that got printed at first time. Let's say if you can watch here, we are having this one. You can either mark the wicks right here, but it's better to mark the wick, the body. You get, because if you mark out the body or the wick, all of them work. It's like when you're drawing a Fibonacci level. Once you can decide to use the swing low and the swing high, the body, or you can decide to use the wick. It depends on the charts. It depends on your trading personality, like the way you trade. You get, now here we are refining. We have refined, finally did something like this, which is very nice. You can see now it is very clean. So one of the things that I like about H4, it's like H4 doesn't lie most of the time. You can see H4 dropped around here. They didn't give us a confirmation or any rejection or any weakness in candlestick so that we can buy the market. So which means if the person had to put here, let's say the buy limit, he would have got manipulated and the market would have gone into the take profit. So this is where I could watch, and the weight you can see violated, manipulated, and came back around here, and we started to see a weakness in sales. You get? Then this is where I pull up my trading, I trigger my trading, my setup, and my account ready to trade, and I go in for buy. But it doesn't mean I get my setup from 4H. I myself am a day trader, and sometimes I scalp, and sometimes I can swing, but honestly, I don't like swing. Like, you can be in losses for some couple of weeks, a couple of days, and you go into profit for, like, I just like to go into the market, get my profits, and I get out. That's what I like most of the time. So if you can realize it well, here we on our 4H we refined. We didn't refine this one, as we told you that the 2 candlestick, you can decide to use the wick or the body. So let's say if the market is right here, let's say if the market it is just right here. So on a 4H, again, after refining the daily zones, another thing what I do, I draw some of the major zones, like 2. I just want to keep my charts clean. I don't want to mess up. I don't want to see my charts getting messing up. So here, right here, the zone that I can again draw, it is this zone, which it has been broken. You know, whenever the market break a level like this, expect the market to come. That's what I see. For example, if we go like here, we broke it to the downside. Let's say I'm giving you a live example whereby this is the level. We broke it, went down, we didn't retest, broke it. Well, you get, like, you can say a lot of struggle, but this level, it is very fresh, which means in case if the market rides up, it will either bounce from here, drop down, or it will go and bounce from this zone and continue going up or consolidate. It depends on the market condition. You know, there is a lot of many things that drive the market, but for you, your job is just to stick to the plan and follow whatever the market tells you to do. Yeah, that is it. So I'm done drawing just one zone. I remember I drew my strong zone on a daily. 4H, I got some one zone. Then this is the time frame I really like so much. 1H. Boom. Then on 1H, this is where I draw my trend lines or chart patterns. Because 1H, it can really give you some conferences. It can really show you where we are heading for the next few hours. Now you can see here we are having this. This is where I draw my patterns. You can see we are having this one here, right? So if we are having this one here, you can see this is first touch, second touch, then the third touch. It's likely to happen here, right? So which means if you realize it well, from this touch right here, which is a very nice one. Let me do like this. No. Let me use this one. I have my favorite circle. Boom, 1, then 2. You can see the market structure. I mean, you can see what the candlestick. Let me shift this. Wow, what's happening? Good. I think my internet went off. Yeah, I will make sure I do a part 2. Yeah, that is it. Trust me, I will drop it up and I will make a recap, then drop a part 2, like to the point where we get the entry. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and click on that bell so that you get a notification for the next video. That is the most important thing. See you in the next video.